Boom, what's up guys? Today we are gonna be doing, actually, I might be showing stuff, maybe looking at a ceiling. I don't know what we're gonna do. We might go to build a Lego set with my sister, but first, we are gonna show some of my stuffed animals. So, I'm just gonna act like I'm a stuffed animal, though. So, ready? Oh, hi, Bulbasaur. What you doing? Triple Whipple. We like to fight. You want to fight right now? No. It's fun. You fight tomorrow. Wow. What are you guys doing? We are gonna fight tomorrow. Why though? Cause, oh, okay, I'm good. We love to fight. We're brothers. Brother, I'm hugging you. I hug you. What are you doing, brother? Nothing. Okay, I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna go to sleep too. And then Hi, I'm Pluto. You guys don't know me. You never saw me before. I'm a cute doggy. I can do a backflip. You want to see me? Ow. I'm okay. Because I always do that when I do a backflip. I love to do this. Okay, now I'm going to get one of my friends. Oops, I called the wrong person. Hi, what do you want, Pluto? I want to be friends. Because when in school, we were friends and then accidentally bumped into you. Now you're always mad at me. Ow, my tongue. Ow. Okay, what are you doing? I want to be friends again. Okay, we'll be friends. Let's lay down now. There's our other friends. Ooh, let's get more. Last two guys. Look, and then, hey, Hey, BB-8, what you doing? Talk normal, Baby Yoda. I mean, BB-8. I like to call you Baby Yoda. Okay, now talk normal. Okay. Hello, Monkey Lumpy. See, we play together. Choo! Thank you for catching me, Monkey Lumpy. Ooh. Thank you for catching me, Baby. Baby. Thank you for catching me again. I'm gonna go super high. Woo! Thanks for stopping me from hitting the ground. I love all my stuffed animals. Okay, I have one big super one. Okay, here we go. Here I go with my big stuffed animal. My big bear. Okay, now they're all gonna sleep on my bed. Boom. All of them are falling, all of them are too big. Boom. Boom. Okay. Now we're just gonna show you other stuff, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna show you now. We might play. We might just talk, cause I know you guys really don't watch my videos, and I know I didn't post a lot since the part when I started making it, and I'm just sad because you guys don't want to watch my videos, and I understand because I started a few months ago, and I'm not really that cool, and it's really sad because my sister's better at making videos than me, and she gets more subscribers than me because even though she just started, she already has 9 subscribers. She just started today and she already has 9 subscribers and 100 views. And I don't even have that much. It just makes me sad how you guys basically don't watch my videos. Which I understand, but it's okay. It's okay if you don't want to watch my videos. I understand I'm not that cool. And yeah. And the first time I wanted to start YouTube, when I tried to start it, in my first video, I tried to do a cartwheel, which I did it, but then when I did it, I fell, broke my arm, and it was my dream to be a big YouTuber, so bye guys. Bye. Like and subscribe. I understand if you don't. It's fine. Goodbye.